Welcome to our channel. Which is best, Orbi 970 or Orbi 770 for large homes? Step 1. Start with your needs. Ask yourself what you really want. Do you need the absolute fastest Wi-Fi available or just reliable speed and coverage that gets the job done? Step 2. Check the speed. The Orbi 970 runs on Wi-Fi 7, giving you top-of-the-line speed. The Orbi 770 uses Wi-Fi 6E, which is still fast enough for most homes. Decide how much speed you'll actually use. Step 3. Look at coverage. Both systems are built for large homes, but the Orbi 970 stretches a little further. Measure your square footage so you know which one fits your space. Step 4. Think about devices. Count up your devices such as phones, laptops, TVs, smart home gadgets. The 970 handles heavy loads better, but the 770 still supports plenty without slowing down. Step 5. Notice the design. The Orbi 970 is taller and sleek, while the 770 is more compact. Pick the one that feels right for your living space. Step 6. Compare the price. Here's where it gets real. The Orbi 970 is much more expensive. The 770 gives you strong performance at a lower cost. Ask yourself how much you want to spend. Step 7. Think about the future. If you want a system that will still feel modern in 5 years, the 970 is the future-proof choice. If you're happy with excellent performance today, the 770 is more than enough. Step 8. Make your choice. At the end of the day, if budget isn't a concern and you want the best of the best, go with the Orbi 970. If you want a smart balance of power and price, the Orbi 770 will serve you well. So, the Orbi 970 is the powerhouse built for the future, while the Orbi 770 gives you reliable, fast coverage without overspending. The right choice comes down to your needs and your budget. Thank you for watching.